Hello friends, today in this video we discuss about 25 very important general studies MCQ from various topic like statistics GK, history, geography, physical science, chemistry and biology and many others. This video will be very helpful for those who are preparing for SSC CGL, CHSL and MTS and any other government competitive exam. So let's start. Our first question is Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma was a maestro of which classical music instrument? The right answer will be options third Santur. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma was associated with Santur. He produced an album called Call of Valley. The name of the album is Call of the Valley. It was produced in 1967. He also worked with Basuri Badak, Hariprasad Chaurasia and guitarist Birj Bhushan Kabra. He also got Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1986. He got Padma Shri. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma got Padma Shri 1991 and got Padma Vibhushan in 2001. It is very important to know about this famous personality. So we get to know that Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma got Padma Shri in 1991 and Padma Vibhushan in 2001. So next question. The group number and period number respectively of an element with atomic number 8. So we all know the element with atomic number 8 is oxygen. It belongs to group number 16 and the period number in the periodic table is 2. So the right answer will be third, option 3, 16 and 2. Next question. Which of the following classical dance is referred to as dance of a storyteller's dance? This dance is like someone telling a story. The right answer will be option 1, Kathak. Next question. Under which article of the Indian Constitution did the Kerala High Court rule that a mother's right to breastfeed is protected? The Kerala High Court ruled the breastfeeding is a part of right to life under Article 21. So the right answer will be second, Article 21. Very important question. Next, which of the following is the distribution of the powers between the center and the states in the Indian Constitution based on the scheme provided? The right answer will be option 2, Government of India Act 1935. The Government of India Act 1935 abolished the diarchy in the provinces and introduced provincial autonomy. The three lists were used that time were federal list, provincial list and concurrent list. There are most important features of our Indian Constitution which is also taken from this Government of India Act 1935. Can you tell me the features? The other features is like Office of Governor. But the appointment of the governor, the procedure of appointment of the governor is taken from Canada. But the concept of Office of Governor is taken from this Act, Government of India Act 1935. There are some other features like PSC, Public Service Commission, is also taken from this Act. Besides, emergency provisions is also taken from Government of India Act 1935. But the suspension of fundamental rights during emergency, this concept was taken from Germany. Next question. Garya Puja is a festival celebrated in the third week of April. This festival is related to which of the following state? The right answer will be option 2, Tripura. Which among the following is known as a secondary pollutant in the atmosphere? The primary pollutant is the pollutant which comes from any source, does not react, but the secondary pollutant where two pollutant comes together and reacts and forms a next level pollutant, it is called secondary pollutant. The right answer will be option 1, ozone. The nitrogen dioxide and some particle of hydrocarbons mix together and reacts and then forms ozones. So it is secondary pollutant. Next question. Avani Lekhra successfully defended her title in which event of the Paris 2024 Paralympics, setting a new Paralympic record? Right answer will be option 1, women's 10-meter air rifle shooting standing SH1. Next question. Which of the following statements about the Mahanadi River is incorrect? We all know about Mahanadi River. It rises in the highland of Chhattisgarh. It is correct. It drains into Arabian Sea. Not, it is not correct. It drains into Bay of Bengal. Third, a part of its river basin lies in the Maharashtra. It is also right. It is about 860 km long. It is also right. So the right answer will be here option 2. It drains into Arabian Sea. It is not. It drains into Bay of Bengal. Next question. Which iron steel plants are established near the confluence of rivers Subarnarekha and Karkhai? The answer will be option 3, Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. It is also known as Jamshedpur Steel Plant. Jamshedpur Steel Plant. It is named after the famous personality Jamshedji Tata, who established this facility. It was our indigenous steel company. But can you tell me the Bhilai steel plant was established in which year? It was established in 1955 after the independence of India with the help of USSR, that time Russia. There is another steel plant called Bokaro Steel Plant. It is also established by the help of Russia. There are another steel plant called Rourkela Steel Plant. It was established by the help of Germany. Okay, next question. There is a table. The carrot, we all know carrot is full of vitamin A. It helps for eyesight it is for healthy for eye. So A will be second or 2. Lemon is full of vitamin C. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. So vitamin C helps for immunity. So B will attach with third. Soybean is full of protein. So C fourth. And groundnuts is full of fats. And we all know the calorie point of fat is 9.1 kilocalorie per gram. So D attached with 1. So the right option will be option third. Okay, next question. Which of the following is the primary objectives to bring a privilege motion in Indian Parliament? The right answer will be option 3. To raise a matter related to the branch of parliamentary privilege. Next question. Which of the following foreign travelers provide an account of Allahabad conference held in early 7th century? C. The answer will be option second, Hien Shang. Hien Shang, the travelers. Next question. Which of the following statements is not correct about factors that gave rise of the consumer movement in India? The consumer movement in India was started in 1960. It starts for frequent food shortage. That one will be not the answer. For the black marketing, okay, it was the reason. Adulteration of the food, it is also the reason for the consumer movement. But the fourth is not the correct factors. So the fourth will be the right answer. Next question. Which state government launched the Nilangal Nalama scheme to uplift families within the state? The answer will be option 2, Tamil Nadu. Ningal Nalama scheme for Tamil Nadu. Which of the following singer won a special award for contribution to music in Asian Achievers Award 2023 in London? Very, very important. The right answer will be option 3, Konika Kapoor. Among the following, who is often referred as the mother of modern Bharatanatyam? Very, very important. The answer will be option 2, Rukmini Devi Arundale. According to Ashoka edicts, how many years after becoming a king did Ashok wage the war on Kalinga? Wage the war on Kalinga. The answer will be option 2, 8. According to the Rock Edict 13th, the King Ashoka, after 8 years of becoming king, he launched a war on the Kalinga. And also this edict, 13th edict, described the victory of Ashok in Kalinga wars. Next question. In the presence of oxygen, glucose does not break down into which among the following? It is nothing but the respiration. If you know the exact reaction of the respiration, we can easily get the answer. In the respiration, the glucose is oxygenated by the oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. So alcohol does not produce. The right answer will be second, alcohol. The question was glucose does not break down into which of the among of the following. So alcohol will be right. Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program PMEGP scheme was launched by which of the Ministry of Government of India? The right answer will be option 1, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise. Next question, the southwest monsoon season starts in June and ends in September. The period start in October is known as. The period start in October is known as retreating monsoon period. Option 2. Next question, the program that has been introduced by the Indian government to address the issue of decline the child sex ratio. The answer will be Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program. It is mainly focused on Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Rajasthan region. When was the Atomic Energy Amendment Bill passed by the Parliament to allow joint venture between public sector undertaking in nuclear power generation? The right answer will be option 3rd, 2014. 2014, the amendment bill passed by the Parliament. Next question, we can see, we all know Young Bengal movement was started by Henry Diageo. Option 4, Ramakrishna Mission was established by Swami Vivekananda. Option 3, Aligarh movement, we all know it started by Syed Ahmed Khan. Option 1, and self-respect movement, it started by Periyar. Option 2. So A will be option 4. The answer will be option 4th. Next question, 3 identical bulbs are connected in parallel to a battery of volt of 6. If the current in a circuit is 0.6 ampere, the power dissipated by the battery is, we all know the formula, P is equal to IV. Power is equal to IV, where I means the current in the circuit and V means the voltage. So if we multiply the 6 with the 0.6 ampere, the answer will be option 2, 3.6 watt. Thank you for watching this video. For such informative and useful question, please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.